So at least nice having a another local being in here. I know it gets crazy and people coming from all over. You know, when you're in pain, you're in pain.
Yeah, because I've been to chiropractic before, but I didn't feel like I got the necessary treatment because I was still hurting when I walked out, and I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna go again. So yeah.
Because you didn't feel the relief.
No, I
didn't see any change.
I really didn't, because my sciatic nerve be hurting more than anything, and it affects my walking and stuff like that. So I just sit down and rest my body sometimes.
Gotcha.
So it won't hurt. Especially my shoulder. I irritated my shoulder when I went to the doctor at BMW. She told me I irritated 3 muscles in my shoulder from doing the work and stuff like that. So
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Now, just so everyone knows, what do you do?
I'm production associate at BMW.
Okay.
Been there for 7 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're on the line and you're...
Yeah, for 12 hours.
12 hours?
Yeah.
Gosh. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing a little bit of everything. Neck, shoulder, elbows, wrist, upper back, hips, sciatic, knees.
Mostly on the right side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yep, checking the leg length. So your right leg does pull short. And it's short by like a ½ an inch almost too.
Okay.
Hips are leveled up, which is a good thing. Okay. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with this. Okay. More on that right side? Okay. Yeah, I was noticing some tightness, a little taut muscles, but this was really the only one where you... Okay. There we go. Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Okay. That one moved quite nicely. And I want to rotate you the other way. Good. Good. Not too bad, huh?
No, it's not bad.
Lay face down again for me. I'm going to stabilize on the sacrum. I want you to raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that?
No, not really.
Okay. Compare it to the left side. How'd that feel?
I just feel like stiffness.
On which side? Or both?
Here.
On the left? Okay. So I want you to cross your left foot over your right foot. Good. And then I'm going to have you bring your arms. Yeah, just down that way. Perfect. Alright, table's going to pop up from below you here. Across. Good. Bend that knee. Alright, raise that leg up again for me. How'd that feel?
It felt better.
Good. So it should feel. Flip onto your back for me, please. Now we're going to use the Y-strap. There we go. And down. Yeah, with this, I'm going to decompress the spine here, okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah, it felt good. I never had it done before. Oh, that was good though. I felt good. Oh, my bad.
You're good, you're good.
Oh,
What did you feel?
oh, my back. Ooh, like my neck and my back, like my bones, like spread apart. That felt so good. Oh, yeah, I think I needed that. I just, yeah. Ooh, thank you. Oh.
Come on up. And relax.
Oh. Whew. Yeah. Oh, I feel better. Oh.
Good. Let me use the massager again. Just relax everything for you. What do you feel?
I feel good. I really do. Oh man, yeah, that felt good.
Good. Stand up for me. Now, I know in the beginning everything was like you really only felt pain when you're at work a lot, or also the other thing was everything was right-sided.
Yes. Tensed. I feel relaxed. I feel good. My shoulder feel good.
Does it?
Yeah, it does.
How was the Y-strap?
That was different. I like that. That's what I was waiting on. I like that. I feel like my back like stretched out. Like, yeah, kind of like a breath of fresh air. Like, oh yeah, that's something that I needed. Yeah.
Now I know you said like last time you were at a chiropractic office and you left.
I didn't get none of that. No, I was on tape for like 5 minutes. They pushed me one side and did something with my legs and popped my back, and then popped the other side of my back, and then that was it. And I didn't feel no relief because my hip was still hurting when I left out. So
Gotcha.
yeah,
You notice a difference now?
Yeah, I do. I feel loose. I feel loose.
You should feel.
That's what I needed. Yeah, I like that.
Perfect.
I don't feel the tenseness in my shoulder and in my back.
Good.
On my hips.
Good.
Yeah, I can. That's good.
We're gonna shoot for about every 3 months. Every 3, maybe 4 months.
Okay.
Get you relined.
Get my body back right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I know, especially you said 7 years at BMW.
I bet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I know when my shoulder started hurting, I tend to do like this and try to put the parts in the door, so that didn't help. When I was stiffing up. Yeah. So we can do 3 months. Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Definitely.